Ok, ahora vamos a ver an English class en Colegio Europeo.
Hi Natalia,
Hi, teacher.
how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Okay, Alejandro, how are you today?
Fine.
Nice. Okay, kids, you remember the topic from last week? That was personal information?
Yes.
Okay, so Natalia, what's your surname?
My surname is Rio Royano.
Okay, Alejandro, how old are you?
I am 13 years old.
Excellent. So, now, Natalia, please tell me, where do you live?
I live in Ibagué.
Yes, good. Alejandro, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is lasagna.
Lasagna, excellent. I really like eating lasagna too. Natalia, tell me a little bit about you and what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. I live with my mom. I'm from Ibagué. I study in European school.
Excellent. Alejandro, tell me about your favorite color. What's your favorite color, please?
My favorite color blue.
Blue. Okay, so just I could check that you understood the topic from last week. So now we are going to start the lesson.